What's up, guys? Oh, yes. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode from CA Builds. If you guys are new to the channel, tap that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications because this Supra is going to be done here real soon. We finally got our set of airbags in the mail, and hopefully by the end of this video, our interior is going to be 100% done. What's up, bud? Sit. Lopple. Good boy. Who's a good boy? But check this out, guys. Look at this beauties right here. I got a really good deal on this set of used airbags, and I got really lucky with them because, man, these airbags are so expensive at the dealer. But we got all of them, basically everything we need to complete our interior. Hey, what's going on? So these are our knee airbags right here. These are our current airbags, and this is the dash airbag right here. And check out this interior. If you guys are new here and have not seen this build yet, I'll leave some links down below, but we have some front end damage and we had a whole bunch of airbags that deployed on the interior, and we already did a whole bunch of work here. So this dashboard, everything was taken apart before. We got the dashboard repaired by L&D Solutions, and everything over here is looking just amazing. Have some red stitching there, red seat belts that we did. These were black, so we got these fixed and made them red. And now we're gonna hop back in and make this thing 100% done. So we couldn't complete the dashboard because we need to put our airbag in first, then the glove box and everything else that goes here. And take a look at that. There's still so much work to do here. We need to put the current airbags, our headliner, our knee airbags, and there's just so much more to go. The first thing I'm gonna do is throw on this big sucker right here. So that's the dashboard airbag. It goes underneath there. I'm gonna throw that sucker on, and then we'll be able to put our glove box on and just complete this dashboard 100%. After that, we'll be able to throw on our knee airbags and then start working on this headliner and those current airbags over there, which I know will be a pain, but let's just start working. Well, guys, I can't believe it myself, but the dashboard is 100% in. Check this beauty out. Everything's 100% buckled in, and I'm very much surprised how nice and easy everything went in. And check this out. So this is all we have left over. Yes, we did not put a screw in somewhere, but honestly, this one screw is not gonna kill us, and maybe we'll still find where it goes. But from all the bolts that were in here, I'm very surprised there's just one screw left. And I'm not sure where this goes. It's a plug for something. But look how nice everything turned out. Everything's buckled up, everything's connected, and it's just looking beautiful. And yes, I did disconnect the battery this time. Right here, you can see that it's disconnected, the minus. I did not want to risk that dashboard. The steering wheel, if it blew, that's one thing, but if this dashboard airbag blew and it ripped our dashboard, that would just suck so bad, and I did not want to risk it, so I did disconnect it. Now we can go ahead and do our knee airbags, the ones that go under there and the one that goes under that side. It's these guys right here. They're very easy. They're just 2 bolts. They screw in under there, and then you just got to plug in 1 plug over there. So we're going to throw those sucker on, and then we'll be ready to go on the headliner. But man, this thing just looks so good. These guys just standing waiting for squirrels. Come here, bud. So fluffy, you just got a bath. Look at you. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I got both of the knee airbags in, so all that is done. All we need to do now is the 2 roof airbags and the headliner. Check this thing out. Well, it pretty much looks the same from here, but if you look underneath there, all the covers and everything's on it, and both of the knee airbags is in, so all of this and everything's 100% done. What we need to do now is hop on the headliner, so we're gonna throw both of the roof airbags on that side, this side right here, throw the headliner on, and then just a couple more plastics, and man, once we're done with that, this interior is done. Well, of course, we're still gonna have to throw in the seat, which is somewhere over there, and the interior is gonna be complete. And I did have the dent removal guy actually stop by and take a look at this hood. We do have some damage right here and a whole bunch of damage over here. You can barely see it on camera, but if you guys haven't seen the previous videos, the hood did open up on me. It smashed into the windshield over there, so it kind of damaged it over here. It broke it a little bit over there. So the dent removal guy will be taking this hood. He will be fixing it. He's gonna fix all of this. He's gonna fix all the damage over here. You could probably see it on camera over there. There's a couple over here. So the whole hood is just kind of wavy. He's gonna get all this repaired. Probably still have to paint it after. I don't think he'll be able to get 100%. Look at these guys, always chasing squirrels. I don't think he'll be able to get 100%, but he'll just try to do as best as possible so we don't have to put too much body filler on it. So we'll just take this off a little later and give it to him. But for now, let's hop on back on the interior. You just throw those airbags in and complete this thing 100%. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. Yesterday we got all the airbags installed, including the roof airbags, and let me tell you, those things just look beautiful. But today we need to complete the whole interior, and the reason for that is because tomorrow we got the windshield going in, and before we put the windshield on, we do need to put our headliner in, because when the windshield goes on, there's really not going to be a way to get the headliner back inside. And let me tell you, that windshield is super expensive. I've never paid that much for a windshield in my life. It's probably the cost of about 3 GTR windshields. Like, that's just insane. Tyson over here doing the final inspection before we throw this sucker in. But L&D Solutions did a fabulous job fixing this thing. It was a little messed up on the sides over here on this side and this side right there, but they fixed it. This thing looks brand new, and man, when it goes back in the car, it's just gonna look amazing. But let's not waste any time and just throw that sucker in the car. All right, guys, I can't believe it myself, but the interior is basically 100% done, and this thing is just beautiful. What do you think, Tyson? Check this sucker out. Everything here is put together, and take a look at this. The headliner and everything's done. All the plastics, all the covers. These over here go on the windshield, so basically they attach right here on the windshield, and it'll all get covered up. This is some kind of camera. Oh snap, that is a camera that looks forward. There's a couple more sensors over here that these connect to, but man, everything over here is done. All the covers, all the plastics, the seat belts, the seat is in, everything's connected, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's all pretty much 100% done. But that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna have the windshield guys come out here and install the windshield, so I'll catch you guys then. It is the next day here. I just had the windshield guys come out, install the new windshield, and man, does this thing look good. Take a look at this beauty. And I did take off the hood. I gave it to the dent removal guy, so he's working on it right now. It should be done here pretty soon, but check out this windshield. This thing is so beautiful all around. Super expensive, but man, it's well worth it. Look how nice it looks. So basically the whole interior, everything's done. Check it out from the inside. Everything over here is beautiful. I got the mirror on. There's still little covers that go right here that I need to put on, but everything here is 100% done, and it looks so nice. That will be a wrap for today's video. If you're still watching, I appreciate you guys sticking till the end. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys are new here, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Also follow me on Instagram at CA BUILDZ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.